Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of ChatGPT and Gemini. These are two of the most powerful AI assistants in the world today. One built by OpenAI, the other built by Google. But which one is actually better? And more importantly, which one is better for you? Let's get started comparing them. ChatGPT is an AI-powered conversational assistant developed by OpenAI. It was launched in late 2022 and it quickly became one of the fastest growing consumer apps ever. Within months, millions of people were using it daily for writing, coding, research, studying, business planning, and more. At its core, ChatGPT is a generative AI model. That means it can create content, not just respond with pre-written answers. He understands prompts, context, tone, and instructions, and then generates human-like responses. But what really makes ChatGPT powerful is how conversational it is. It remembers context within a session. You can refine answers. You can say, make that shorter, rewrite it in a formal tone, or explain it like I'm five, and it adapts instantly. On the other hand, Gemini is Google's advanced AI assistant and successor to its earlier AI experiments like Bard. It represents Google's push into generative AI, directly competed with ChatGPT. Gemini is designed to be multimodal. That means it can understand and generate different types of content, including text, images, and some versions, even audio and video related outputs. What makes Gemini especially interesting is how deeply it integrates with Google's ecosystem. If you use Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Drive, or Chrome, Gemini is designed to work alongside these tools. So while ChatGPT feels like a flexible standalone AI powerhouse, Gemini feels like an AI assistant embedded into your everyday workflow. Let us talk about the main features. With ChatGPT, first, conversational intelligence. It handles follow-up questions smoothly and maintains context in long discussions. Second is the advanced reasoning and coding capabilities. Developers use it to generate code snippets, to debug errors, and even build entire applications. Third is the content creation. Bloggers, YouTubers, and marketers use it for scripts, for captions, and creative writing. Fourth is file and data analysis. You can upload documents or spreadsheets and ask ChatGPT to analyze or summarize them for you. And there's the image generation and multimodal outputs. Yes, depending on your plan, you can upload images or generate visuals. There's the powerful Sora embedded in the OpenAI that helps with image and visual generation. And there's the deep research tools. The higher tiers allow for more advanced structured research outputs. Now let us go to Gemini for its key features. First, strong multimodal capabilities. Gemini was designed from the ground up to process text, images, and more within one system. Second, real-time information grounding. Because it connects deeply with Google's infrastructure, it can provide more current web-based insights. Third, Google Workspace integration. This is huge. You can use Gemini directly inside Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. Fourth, creative tools. Gemini includes capabilities for generating visuals and assisting with presentations and other creative outputs. Fifth is the productivity automation. Yes, you can turn long documents into summaries, generate reports, and automate repetitive writing tasks. If you live inside Google's ecosystem, Gemini feels seamless. So what are the pricing details? Well, ChatGPT operates on a freemium model, which means you get the free version and you get the paid version. And Gemini also operates a free tier, but with usage limits on prompts and features. Of course, there's a paid plan too that is branded under AI subscriptions, Google AI subscriptions. So that increases the limits and unlocks premium features. What are the pros and cons of using ChatGPT and Gemini? We start with the pros. For ChatGPT, it's extremely versatile. There's strong reasoning and writing quality. There's excellent coding assistance and customizable workflows. It's widely adopted and constantly updated. And the pros of using Gemini? Strong integration with Google tools, excellent multimodal capabilities, and good real-time information grounding. Also seamless experience inside Gmail and Docs. And the cons? For ChatGPT, the free version has limits. It can occasionally generate incorrect information, which is a thing. And the concept Gemini, it works best if you're in the Google ecosystem. Some users also report occasional inconsistencies, but generally these inconsistencies and incorrect information are mostly common when you're using the free plans. Having considered all this information, which one should you choose? Well, if you want a powerful AI assistant that is flexible and that can handle writing, coding, research, brainstorming, and creative tasks across many industries, ChatGPT is probably the better all-round choice. But if you rely heavily on Gmail, on Google Docs, on Sheets, and on Chrome, and you want AI built directly into your daily workflow, then Gemini might feel more natural and convenient. The truth is, both tools are extremely capable. Your choice should depend on your workflow, on your ecosystem preference, and on budgets. And that's it on the comparison of ChatGPT and Gemini. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Claude, Microsoft Copilot, and Perplexity AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.